The plan for this chapter will be to learn about how a student archives an artifact and the importance of selecting and archiving artifacts. Let's get started. At key points in the school calendar, such as the end of a school year or at the end of a cycle, a student should be encouraged to select her most important artifacts and archive them. This archive area is the place for a student to accumulate work over time, as items stored here carry forward to the next year's ePEARL. On this page, you can see the work Vanita did when she was in levels 1 and 2. Let's explore Vanita's portfolio again. In the Artifact Index page, Vanita checks Marie Antoinette version 3 because she wants to archive it. Now she clicks on Archive. A copy of the artifact is now placed in the archive. To see a list of all of her archived material since she began using ePEARL, Vanita clicks on View Archive. To return to the index page, she clicks on Current Artifacts. An artifact can still be edited once in the archive, unless it was sent to presentations in a previous level. We strongly encourage teachers to talk to students about selecting carefully completed work to archive. Students should archive work at the end of a school year or cycle and then delete the work from their artifacts index page using the delete command. This way, a student will start a new school year or cycle with a new working environment, having saved the most important items into their archive. This will minimize the amount of storage space that is required for the student portfolio. Reflection: why is it important for the student to select artifacts and archive them? Before archiving work, your student should think or discuss with you, why are you selecting this artifact to archive? Which artifacts best represent your work? What did you learn about you through this process of selecting artifacts for the archive? During this chapter, you learned about how a student archives work, the importance of selecting and sending items to the archive. Now it's your turn. Open your demo account and practice. You can also print the instructions by clicking on the print icon.